Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create an interactive quiz within PowerPoint using hyperlinks. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I have made a rudimentary slideshow with a welcoming slide such as this and with a question slide and two slides with an either right answer or a wrong answer. Now, as you can see, I have this question slide. Now, this title slide can be whatever you want. I'm just not going to cover it. The question slide, of course, needs a question which you're setting to whoever you're presenting to, and you have multiple choices. Now you can create as many multiple choices as you want. However, I'll just only stick to two. Now, let's say the answer A is the correct answer and answer B is incorrect. We want answer A to send us to slideshow 3 or slide number 3 with the right answer title, and we want answer B to send us to slide 4 with the wrong answer title. Now, what you're going to do to make that happen is go to question 1 or to the question slide and select the option you want to link to another slide. For example, let's say question A or answer A. Click on the edges, make sure that the text box is selected and not the text itself. Then you want to go into insert and go into links or into hyperlinks. It depends on your version. My version is very old, so it says hyperlinks. For you, it might say links. You just want to go into hyperlink and make sure place in this document is selected. And from here, you want to select the slide that is the right answer slide, which is in my case, slide number 3. And we're going to do the same with answer B, but we're going to go to slide 4 to take it to the wrong answer slide. Now, of course, if you have multiple choices, you can select or just set all the wrong answers to the wrong answer slide and the only right answer to the right answer slide. And you're going to repeat this for however many questions you have. So you're going to need 3 slides per question. Now, once we've set everything up, we want to go into slideshow and we want to, show the slideshow from the beginning. As you can see, welcome to the quiz. Go into the next slide, which is the question. And as you can see, question 1, if I have my mouse over the text, nothing happens, but I can select either answer A or answer B, as you can see by the change of my cursor. If I click answer A, it's going to take me to the right answer slide. And if I go back and click answer B, it's going to take me to the wrong answer slide due to it being a hyperlink. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.